My name is John Paul. Welcome to my YouTube channel, UK Pool Banker. If you're just watching my video for the very first time, click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Like this video as well. I'm here to share with you this key. It's a Grimsby key system from Weekly Telegraph. The key delivered. Continue to use this information as usual until it stops working. But first, I want to encourage everybody out there that winning pool entails diligence, research, intelligence, and dedication. You cannot win pool every week. You cannot win gambling every week. All those of you who want to win gambling and having this mentality of do or die, please desist from it. It's dangerous. It's not healthy. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help anybody. I have two groups on WhatsApp. First is the Focus group. Second is the Papers room. If you need pools forecasting papers and you want to be getting my pay every week, you pay 3,000 naira and it's valid for 1 month. If you want to be playing my games this month, all you have to do is pay 5,000 naira and you'll be getting my games and the proof on a weekly basis on WhatsApp. Whichever package you are interested in, make your decision and reach me on WhatsApp. My number is on your screen, +234 703 063 50 51. Gambling is dangerous, and I will continue to repeat this message until it dawns on you all to gamble responsibly. Some persons have called me and they have chatted me up. They are angry that I'm always repeating these messages. I'm always repeating things here and there. If you are angry that I'm repeating an advice for your own benefit, then you are an enemy of progress. I will continue to repeat this advert. I will continue to repeat this advice, and I will continue to repeat whatever information I have here on YouTube so that it can sink in. Repetition is often an idea that makes people remember things. You cannot gamble when you don't have money. You cannot gamble when you are in debt. You cannot gamble when you have not eaten. You have bills to pay. Gambling is dangerous. Gambling kills. No matter the hope, gambling will not help you. This information is from Weekly Telegraph. Buy this paper weekly. It will help you a lot. I won't overemphasize that. The name of this compiler is Premier and is giving us this key, the Grimsby special key. Check it. You can never sing Grimsby at number 40 unless in week 10 and week 25. Check your record 2020. Anytime Grimsby is away at number 40 on coupon, Newport Co must be at number 38 away. Once these two teams are standing there, what do? Sunderland and Shrewsbury must give you one draw. This is the number of the compiler, but first let's check this information. This is the result of week 25. Who is at number 40 away is Grimsby. Who is at number 38 is Newport Co. Sunderland is 33. Shrewsbury is 34. 34 played you a draw. Wigan, Shrewsbury. A pair missed 2 matches for 1 draw. So this game delivered. Continue to monitor this key. Grimsby at number 40. Whenever it's set, check whether Newport is at number 38. If it's there, Shrewsbury and Sunderland to give you 1 draw. The number of this compiler is 0901 405 5549. Now let me send this warning to all those who are buying games from people. You cannot buy game from somebody and the game does not work. You come and be disturbing me that so person is a scammer, so person scammed you, so person stop promoting them on your YouTube channel. You don't know what you are doing. Please. 1 to 49 is a draw. You want to know the real scammer is those who are promoting this business, those who are setting this business. They are the real scammer and not those who are selling games to you. Quote me anywhere and I will defend myself. How can those who are promoting this business set 1 to 49 as a draw? Every week, there is no proof that does not hold 1 to 49 as a potential draw. There's always a strong setting that will hold each of the numbers on coupon. Yet, they tell you pick only 3 draws. If it enters, you win. How do you know the 3 draws that you are picking are the 3 draws that you have decided that they are going to play? Sometimes I don't know whether we think or we don't reason at all. Somebody brought 49 matches. Each of them has proof, has solid settings, has concrete, strong Ninja backup with paper movements. Sometimes they are second time settings, others are third time settings. From 1 to 49, they all have proof. At the end of each week, how many of them actually end in a draw? Yet, if somebody sells a game for you and you come and be disturbing John Paul, disturbing me, that so person is a scammer, he scammed you, nobody is scamming anybody. If you buy a game from somebody and the game doesn't work, the person doesn't give you a compensation game, and the person blocks you, then that person is a scammer. That is fraud. I'm not going to be a party to that behavior. That is bad. But if somebody gives you a game, he doesn't block you on WhatsApp or on Facebook, his number still goes through, you reach out to him and you talk to him politely, he responds, and not you insulting him, how is that person a scammer? The person gave you what he researched as potential draws, and he sold it to you. I expose different numbers on this platform to help you, but you cannot be talking rubbish all because the game you were given did not work. That is bad. If you do not know the meaning of a scammer, then go and check your dictionary, search Google, and learn the meaning of a scam. Nobody scams you. If somebody gives you a game doesn't work, that itself is a risk. Nobody forces you to buy games from any of these compilers that I'm promoting here on YouTube. If I don't believe in these people, I will not promote them in the first place. So don't come and spoil my business for me by telling me and disturb me every time. So person scammed me, so person scammed you. Please call yourself to order. A word is enough for the wise. You want to know who a scam is? Those who set this business, they are the chief scammer. They program 1 to 49 as draws. There's nowhere you will research that you will not find any of those games as draws. No dead games anywhere. At the end of the day, what happens? They'll play you 5 draws, 9 draws, 16 draws, 13 draws. What happens to the remaining numbers? They are all dead games. What do you call that? Please, if you don't understand something, ask. Even the Bible says, ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find, knock and the door will be open to you. You cannot go about parading rumor and you expect me to be happy. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best of luck. My name remains John Paul. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more truth and factual information. Thank you.